Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting credentials and a working environment. Register the app, copy the API key and secret, and place them in a env or secure vault so calls stay secure. Once done, pick the correct base endpoint, production versus sandbox, because behavior and rate limits differ. Next, install an HTTP client like Axios or HTTPy, and run a simple ping or /health request to confirm the network path and authentication are working. You now build real requests and handle large result sets. Craft get queries for search and post for transactions. Always include content type, application/JSON. Then implement pagination using page/limit or cursor, and programmatically respect 429 rate limit responses by reading retry after and backing off. Also, map endpoints to functionality, search, details, ratings, images, and normalize responses into typed objects so UI, or downstream logic, consumes consistent fields and errors. You finish by integrating into your app and validating behavior across environments. Add unit tests that mock API responses, then stage in sandbox and perform end-to-end checks. Deploy with keys in environment variables and a rotation policy, and cache heavy assets or use a CDN to reduce calls. Monitor latency, error rate, and quota. If something breaks, check headers first, especially rate limit and error details, because most issues stem from auth, incorrect endpoint, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.